In Farmington Hills, Michigan, where charming neighborhoods meet modern living, homeowners are always seeking ways to enhance their properties. From lush landscaping to updated kitchens, the goal is clear: to increase home value. One often overlooked but highly impactful improvement is professional door installation. Doors are more than just entry points. They are a statement of style, security, and efficiency. A professionally installed door can transform a property, offering benefits that ripple beyond aesthetics to significantly boost a home's market value. Here's why professional door installation in Farmington Hills is an investment worth considering. Enhancing curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers or visitors notice. A high-quality, professionally installed front door can make a striking first impression. In Farmington Hills, where homes vary from classic colonial designs to contemporary styles, choosing the right door to complement the architecture is essential. A new, professionally installed door, whether it's a solid wood door with intricate designs or a sleek, modern fiberglass option, signals that the home is well maintained. This not only attracts potential buyers but also allows sellers to set a higher asking price. In fact, according to studies, replacing an outdated entry door with a new one can offer a return on investment, ROI, of over 70% in terms of increased home value. Boosting energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a key consideration for homeowners in Farmington Hills, where winters can be cold and summers warm. Professionally installed doors ensure a proper seal, reducing drafts and minimizing energy loss. Modern doors often come with advanced insulation materials and weather stripping that keep indoor temperatures stable and reduce reliance on heating or cooling systems. An energy-efficient door can significantly lower utility bills, a feature that appeals to eco-conscious buyers. Highlighting energy savings during a sale can make your home stand out in the competitive Farmington Hills market, further increasing its perceived value. Improving home security. Safety is a top priority for homeowners and potential buyers alike. A professionally installed door with robust locks, reinforced frames, and durable materials can elevate the security of your home. Professional installers ensure that doors fit perfectly, eliminating gaps or weaknesses that intruders might exploit. For families in Farmington Hills, this added layer of security is invaluable and contributes to peace of mind. A secure home is also a strong selling point, allowing homeowners to negotiate a higher price when putting their property on the market. Increasing functionality and longevity. When doors are installed by professionals, you can be confident in their functionality and durability. Improper installation can lead to issues like misaligned frames, squeaky hinges, or doors that don't close properly. These problems not only diminish the aesthetic appeal but also cause wear and tear over time, potentially leading to costly repairs. Professional installation ensures that your door will perform optimally for years to come. This longevity is appealing to buyers, as it eliminates concerns about future maintenance costs. Whether you're staying in your Farmington Hills home for the long term or planning to sell, the lasting quality of a professionally installed door adds undeniable value. Supporting style and personalization. a door isn't just a functional feature, it's also an opportunity to reflect personal style. In Farmington Hills, homeowners appreciate doors that complement the character of their homes, from classic designs with glass inserts to bold-colored modern doors that make a statement. Professional installers often work with homeowners to customize doors, ensuring that they match the aesthetic of the home while meeting practical needs. This attention to detail not only improves the overall look of the property but also attracts buyers who appreciate thoughtful design elements. Adapting to market trends. The real estate market in Farmington Hills is dynamic, and modern buyers are looking for homes that are move-in ready. A professionally installed, high-quality door communicates that the property has been well cared for and updated to meet current trends. This can be a deciding factor for buyers, especially in competitive markets. Conclusion. Professional door installation is more than just a home improvement project, it's a strategic investment. In Farmington Hills, where home values are influenced by curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and functionality, a well-installed door can make a world of difference. Whether you're enhancing your forever home or preparing to sell, don't underestimate the impact of a professionally installed door. It's a simple yet effective way to elevate your property, ensuring it stands out in the thriving Farmington Hills real estate market.